Our today's topic is relationship between banker and customer. Before starting with this topic, we are going to understand what is the meaning of banker. The banker is the one who accepts the deposit of the public for the purpose of lending or investing, repayable on demand or otherwise, or withdrawal by check, draft or otherwise. This is the definition of banker. What are all types of business which are permitted for the banking company? First is borrowing, raising or taking of money. That is first and foremost business which is permitted to the banking is he is allowed to borrow, take money from the public. Second is lending of money either upon security or without security. Lending means giving on loan the amount of money, either it could be on security or it could be without security to his customer. Third is accepting or discounting bill of exchange or promissory note. Whenever the customer is in need of the money, he can accept or discount the bill of exchange or promissory note. Fourth, issue letter of credit. Fifth is buying, selling and dealing in bullion. Bullion means raw form of gold. Sixth is buying and selling of foreign exchange. And seventh, last is purchase and sale of bonds and other securities on behalf of his customer. So these are the various type of business which are permitted for the banking company. There are two types of relationship which are found between the banker and the customer. Before starting, we are going to understand the term customer. What is the meaning of customer? Customer is the one who has his account, any type of account. It could be current account, saving account, demand deposit account or recurring deposit account into one particular bank, and he is in the habit of going regular into the bank for any type of facilities. That is the called as customer. There are two types of relationship which are found between the banker and the customer. One is general relationship and the other one is special relationship. First, in this video, we are going to understand what is the meaning of general relationship. In general relationship, there are four types of relationship which are found between the banker and the customer. The first is banker as a debtor and creditor. Whenever the banker is accepting the amount from the customer into his account, it could be current account, saving, demand deposit account, fixed deposit account or recurring deposit account, the banker is in the position of debtor. Debtor means in future he has to pay back the amount to the customer whenever the customer demands his amount. And when the banker is giving any type of loan facility to the customer, the banker act into the position of creditor. That is, as a creditor, he can ask his amount from the customer after the particular time period. That is called as banker acting as a debtor when he is accepting the deposit of the customer, and banker acting as a creditor when he has lended some amount to the customer. The next relationship, banker as a trustee. Whenever the customer is leaving his any kind of valuable securities, it can be asset, it can be documents, it could be the documents of securities, that is shares and debentures, into the safe custody of the banker. In that case, the banker is acting as a position of trustee. It is the duty of the banker to take care of the valuable security of the customer. The third relationship is banker as an agent. Whenever the customer comes to the banker for buying and selling of the security, it is the duty of the banker to buy and sell any kind of security, shares or debenture on behalf of his customer, or apart from buying or selling of the security, he can also pay electricity, water bills and other on behalf of his customer directly into from the account of the customer. The fourth type of relationship is banker as an advisor. If customer is in any confusion where he wanted to invest, he should invest his amount, which type of securities are available in the form, which are safe, which are unsafe. If a customer is in any confusion and he wanted to take advice from the banker, it is the moral duty of the banker to give very fair advice to his customer which is in favor of the customer. So these are the 4 general relationship between the banker and customer which are found between banker and customer. Thank you.